Hi everyone, this is Ahmad Wali and I'm presenting chapter 14. Here is a list of the things I'm going to talk on. Definitions. Summary is this restatement of the main idea in a longer document. To elaborate on that, summaries are used to convey the general meaning of the ideas in original source without all the specific details or examples that may appear in the original. Summaries are quite often used in professional fields, whether it's the very important data or the summary of a short report. It's important to know how to present them to your boss or colleagues. So you must know your audience and purpose. To distinguish between your audience, formal reports and proposals and other longer documents are typically submitted to busy people like researchers, developers, managers, vice presidents, customers, and so on. For those who must react quickly, only need to know the big picture. Purpose. Purpose is to provide only an overview and the essential facts. There are three ways to serve the purpose. Describe in a short form what the original document is all about. Help reader to decide whether to read all of the document, part of it, or none of it. Give the reader a framework for understanding the full document if they plan to read it. The inner structure of a summary is dependent on four elements: accuracy, completeness, concise, non-technical. Accuracy. The content must be precise and include the reasoning from original document. Completeness. Include everything and most importantly the essential parts of the original document. Concise. Any details that does not affect the overall body can be removed. Non-technical style. Use plain English to summarize the scientific or mathematical terms. Now there are many types of summaries, and there are closing summaries, informative abstract, descriptive abstract, executive abstract. The closing summary the closing summary helps people review and remember the major finds that have preceded it. Informative abstract. It provides the reader with a snapshot of a long document, a clear picture of what is about to come, useful in reading just the bottom line. Descriptive abstract. It is usually only 1 to 3 sentences long and appears on the title page of a report. Executive summary. It is similar to the informative abstract, however, it not only summarizes the long document but also tells the reader what they should think about. Why does it matter to us? Well, summaries are very important in many professional fields. It is widely used and knowing how to write it is very important skill. An expert in the field of computer science works with data and operates on them. Skills in summarizing those data are essential. One should be well versed in the skill of summarizing to show the major details to their superiors. Thank you.